Namaste बच्चों. Today we'll start with a new chapter, chapter number 11, and the name of the chapter is Namak ka Mulya. So here Namak means salt and Mulya means value. So first we'll do the summary of this chapter. It's a story about a king, and the king had 3 daughters. One day the king asked the daughters that how much they love him, and the 3 daughters, they replied 3 different answers. So to know what they replied, let's read this chapter. So we'll continue from page number 57. You can see we have Kathin Shabd, that means difficult words. Here the first word is Ratna, means gem or precious stone. Jada means more. Zaruri means necessary. Tisri means third. Upay means trick. Ladkiya means girls. Chillana, to shout. Now let's start the story. So the first line. एक राजा की 3 लड़कियां थी. तीनों सखियों की तरह रहती थी. राजा ने अपनी तीनों लड़कियों से पूछा कि तुम मुझे कितना चाहती हो. पहली लड़की ने कहा, मैं आपको सोने से ज़्यादा चाहती हूँ. दूसरी लड़की ने कहा, मैं आपको सभी रत्नों से ज़्यादा चाहती हूँ. तीसरी लड़की ने कहा, मैं आपको नमक से भी अधिक चाहती हूँ. Now let's understand the meaning of few words here. First line, एक राजा की 3 लड़कियां थी. So here एक means 1, राजा means king, and 3 लड़कियां means 3 girls. So a king had 3 daughters. तीनों सखियों की तरह रहती थी. So here सखियों means friends, and the meaning is the 3 girls of the king, they lived like friends. राजा ने अपनी तीनों लड़कियों से पूछा कि तुम मुझे कितना चाहती हो. So here पूछा means asked and चाहती हो means how much they love. So the king asked the 3 girls that how much they love him. पहली लड़की ने कहा. So here पहली means first. मैं आपको सोने से ज़्यादा चाहती हूँ. So here मैं means I and sona means gold. ज़्यादा means more and चाहती हूँ means to like. So the meaning is the first girl said I love you more than the gold. दूसरी लड़की ने कहा. So here दूसरी लड़की means second girl. मैं आपको सभी रत्नों से ज़्यादा चाहती हूँ. So here सभी रत्नों means all the gems or the precious stones. So the meaning is I love you more than all the gems. तीसरी लड़की ने कहा. So here तीसरी लड़की means the third girl. मैं आपको नमक से भी अधिक चाहती हूँ. So here नमक means salt and अधिक means more. So the meaning is I love you more than the salt. Next line. राजा तीसरी लड़की के उत्तर से दुखी हो गया. उसने बेटी से बोलना छोड़ दिया. लड़की ने एक उपाय सोचा. उसने अगले दिन खाने में नमक नहीं डाला. जब भोजन परोसा गया तो राजा खा नहीं पाया. गुस्से में आकर उसने चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. लड़की बोली, पिताजी, अब आप समझ गए होंगे कि नमक कितना ज़रूरी है. राजा छोटी लड़की की बात समझकर खुश हुआ. Now let's understand the meaning of few words here. First line, राजा तीसरी लड़की के उत्तर से दुखी हो गया. So here उत्तर means answer and दुखी means sad. So after hearing the reply of the third daughter, he became very sad. उसने बेटी से बोलना छोड़ दिया. So here बेटी means daughter, बोलना means to speak and छोड़ दिया means he stopped talking to her. The meaning is, so after Hearing the reply of the third daughter, he stopped talking to her. लड़की ने एक उपाय सोचा. So here उपाय means trick. So the meaning is the girl thought of a trick. उसने अगले दिन खाने में नमक नहीं डाला. So here उसने means she, अगले दिन means next day, खाने means food, नमक salt, नहीं डाला means नहीं means didn't, and डाला means add. So the meaning is the next day the daughter didn't add salt to the food. जब भोजन परोसा गया तो राजा खा नहीं पाया. So here परोसा गया means when the food was served. So when the food was served, the king was not able to eat it because there was no salt in it. गुस्से में आकर उसने चिल्लाना शुरू किया. So गुस्सा means anger and चिल्लाना means to shout. So after seeing this, he became very angry and he started to shout. लड़की बोली, पिताजी. So here लड़की बोली means the girl said, father, अब आप समझ गए होंगे कि नमक कितना ज़रूरी है. So here अब means now, आप means you, and समझ means understood. कितना means how much. ज़रूरी means important. So the third girl is saying that now you understood how much important is the salt. राजा छोटी लड़की की बात समझकर खुश हुआ. So here खुश means happy. So the king was very happy to understand the little girl. So this is the short story about a king and his 3 daughters. The moral value of this story is that every small thing is very important in our life. As salt is necessary for food, same way parents' love is very important for children. So this was the story. Next we have Shabdarth, that means word meaning. So the first word Raja, that means king. Pehli, first, तीसरी, third, उपाय, trick, चिल्लाना, to shout, and here लड़कियाँ means daughters, दूसरी, second, नमक, salt, परोसा गया means was served, ज़रूरी means necessary. Next you can see समान अर्थ वाले शब्द, that means words with the same meaning. So here the first one is Raja. Raja means king. समान अर्थ वाले शब्द नरेश and नृप. Second one भोजन. भोजन means food. पर्यायवाची शब्द खाना, आहार. Next word लड़की. लड़की means girl. The words are बेटी, कन्या. Last word खुश. खुश means happy and the words are prasanna, anand. So this was the paryavachi shabd, that means saman arth wale shabd. Next you can see we have ulte arth wale shabd, that means opposites. The words are dukhi. Dukhi means sad and the opposite word is sukhi. Sukhi means happy. Next one zyada. Zyada means more and the opposite word is kam, that means less. The last one agle. Agle means next and the opposite word is pichle. Pichle means previous. Now here next one is ek, anek. Ek means singular, anek means plural. So here the first one is ladki. Ladki means a girl. So the plural form is ladkiya. Next one sakhi. Sakhi means a friend. So the plural form is sakhiya. And here you can see the word khushi. Khushi means happy and its plural form is happiness. The last one beti. Beti means daughter and the plural form is betiya, that means daughters. So you have to write all the कठिन शब्द, शब्दार्थ, समान अर्थ वाले शब्द, विलोम शब्द and एक अनेक in your notebook. Now here you have an activity. You have to read the first 5 lines of this chapter, record it and submit in Teams. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.